Bakit po ako pipirma sa isang dokumento na hindi ko naman po alam ang detalye? First, I am saddened by the zero budget given to PhilHealth. As chairman of the Committee on Health, advocacy ko po ang health. Dapat po ang pondo ng PhilHealth ay para sa health. Kaya nga po, PhilHealth. Lessons learned, dapat tayo sa pandemya. We should invest more in health. Katumbas po yan ang buhay ng bawat Pilipino. Kaya dapat bigyan po natin ng priority ang health. While we acknowledge that PhilHealth has still billions in reserve funds, sabi nila 500 billion as discovered and discussed in 5 hearings conducted by the Committee on Health, subsidy from the national government may still be needed to implement necessary reforms and improvements in its benefit packages. Huwag naman zero budget. Sa huli, ang mga mahihirap na pasyente na naman ang kawawa dyan.